The best forex trading strategy for consistent profits. Consistent profit is the holy grail for every forex trader, understood. But what strategy actually work in 2025 evolving markets? In today's video, I will break down the top forex trading strategy that can help you trade smarter, stay ahead of the market trends, and build consistent gain, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. Sit tight, don't go anywhere, so you can be profitable in 2025. So, for that being said, if you want more videos on forex trading, complete tutorial on how to be profitable online, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button for YouTube algorithm, join our Telegram community. The link is right at the description. So why strategies matter in 2025? Having a solid strategy is the backbone of successful forex trading. Without one, right, trading becomes a guessing game, driven by emotions like fear or greed. A strategy provides structure, helps you stay focused, and reduce the impulse to make rash decisions. Now in 2025, the forex market is faster and more complex due to technological advancement and artificial intelligence and global economic shifts. That means your strategy right now must evolve to keep pace with these challenges. A well-crafted trading strategy helps you manage risk and stay disciplined even in volatile conditions. Think about it like a map when navigating unknown terrain. Without it, you could easily get lost or make costly mistakes, right? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, having a clear strategy increases your chances of consistent profits and allows you to adapt to new market trends and conditions. Nevertheless, a strategy is your key to success in forex markets. Here are the top forex trading strategies you should consider in 2025 to stay ahead in the game. If you really want to change your life and make good profits, listen carefully to these strategies right here. Strategy number 1, price action trading. What is price action trading? Price action trading focuses on reading price movement without relying on indicators. By studying candlesticks pattern, support and resistance level, and chart formation, you can make well-informed decision. Am I understood? In 2025, this strategy is still a go-to because it's simple, effective, and adaptable to all market conditions. Strategy number 2, trend following. This strategy is all about going with the flow of the market. In 2025, actually, automated tools and AI-powered algorithm can help you spot trends quickly, make it easier to capitalize on price movements. The key is to identify strong trends and riding them until the market signals a reversal. And strategy number 3, breakout trading. Breakout trading takes advantage of price movements that happen when a currency pair breaks through the key support and resistance levels. Now, this breakout often lead to large price swings and offering the chance for substantial profits. Now in 2025, you can use advanced charting tools and real-time data to spot breakouts easily. Strategy number 4, scalping. Scalping is a faster paced strategy where traders aim to make small, quick profits from minor price changes, right? With faster execution in 2025, scalpers can capitalize on even the smallest market movement, making this strategy popular for those looking for frequent trading opportunities. Strategy number 5, swing trading. What is swing trading? Is ideal if you want to avoid constant monitoring the markets. This strategy focuses on capturing medium-term price swings, right? Usually lasting a few days or possibly weeks, right? In 2025, traders can benefit from automated systems to analyze patterns and predict future price movements, making swing trading easier to execute. Adapting strategy to 2025's market trends. The forex market in 2025 is evolving, right? With new technological advancement, as I said earlier, and another one, geopolitical shift and digital currencies changes the way we trade. To stay ahead, it's important to adapt your strategies to these market trends. Leveraging AI and automation. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are increasingly being used to analyze data and possibly predict price movements. These tools can enhance your strategy by providing faster and more accurate insights, right? Whether you are possibly using a trend following or breakout strategy, AI can help you identify patterns that might be too subtle for human eyes to see. Incorporating cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies Forex are no longer just a side market. I'm understood. They've been a significant player in Forex, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others are now being traded alongside traditional currency here, like GBP, USD, Euro USD, gbpjpy. So many traders are incorporating digital currencies into their strategies. I'm understood. So you are trading the Forex markets, understand how crypto impacts fiat currencies also. Now adapting to global news and events. Geopolitical events, economic reports, and market sentiment are always impactful, right? But in 2025, they are more faster than ever. Real-time news and data can trigger market volatility instantly. By incorporating sentiment analysis and using economic calendar, you can stay informed about factors that may affect your trade. So adapting to these trends assures your strategies are in line with today's market conditions and will help you make smarter and more informed trades. Key tips for success in the Forex industry. Success in Forex industry is about more than just having the right strategy. It's about discipline, patience, and continuous improvement. So basically here are some key tips to help you stay on track and boost your chances of consistent profits. And number one, use proper risk management. Never ever risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on single trades, and this ensures that even if you experience losses, you will still have enough to continue trading. So set your stop loss orders and use position sizes to protect your capital. Before risking real money, right, practice on a demo account to test your strategies. Now this allows you to get comfortable with the markets, refine your approach, and build confidence without the financial pressure. Stay disciplined. Stick to your trading plan. Emotions like fear and greed can possibly cloud your judgment, right, leading to impulsive decision. Consistency is key. So don't chase the market or try to make up for past losses, right? Follow strategy and wait for the right opportunity. Stay updated with market news. Global news, economic reports, and geopolitical events can impact currencies prices. Now keep an eye on major market developments using an economic calendar and market sentiment tools. Now being informed helps you make smarter and more timely trades. Keep learning and improving. Forex markets are constantly evolving, so never stop learning. Whether it's reading books, watching educational videos, or participating in trading communities, continuous learning will help you ahead of the curve. So the more knowledge you acquire, the better equipped you will be. By following these tips, you'll be setting yourself up for long-term success and steady progress in the Forex market. And if you find the video helpful, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And for return viewers, thanks for returning. So I would like you to join our Telegram community. The link is right at the description. If you want to learn how to trade and be successful in the Forex industry, the link is also at the description. And if you are new, you want a reliable broadcast, the link is also at the description. For that being said, see you in the next video, and peace out.